Are you serious? Let's get a 2x4 under the front wheel, but we're gonna have to all push it back. Front wheel, but we're gonna have to all push it back.
Last day rolls around, and this is the 29th, and this is when I knew that mechanically I had to get everything done.
We got Taco Bell. Man, Aaron.
Nice Audi.
We got Master Chef Aaron bringing over the goods.
Vaughn, his brother Brandon, and their friend came over, and they pulled a crazy all-nighter. Another, I don't know how many all-nighters I pulled this month.
Did we already get this thread to start?
Yes.
Yeah. Alright, I got it. I'll do it. I want to do the honors. Alright, give me a socket for this. What is it, 19?
We got the Sicky kit to work as best as we could with the bad crossmold we were using. We got the Sicky headers to fit. We had to do a lot of maneuvering. We had to ratchet strap the frame rails to get the crossmember to bolt up. Then we had to spread it out.
Keep it in there though, because that hole is almost aligned.
Okay.
That other one is in.
Oh, that one is off too.
Bolted all that together. We wired the trunk back in.
Jacob Pulse right here. Check me out.
We got Jacob Zwingfilms on the camera.
Dude, this is hard to hold steady.
Yeah, you just gotta be a man about it.
I'm hella shaky.
Actually, let's do the other side. Just this jank. Here. Alright.
Alright, 3 and...
Vaughn installed the SLR angle kit, which is the control arms and the outer tie rods. Just spent that last night putting everything back together, the interior, the seats, the wiring, the front end. The E36 radiator had just come in the mail that day too.
Yes! We got the right one.
I don't have a fucking gasket.
I know, I don't care.
It's 5 a.m. It's 5 a.m. People are getting pissed off at each other.
Yo, why are we even working on this car?
Whose car is this?
This isn't even mine. I don't give a fuck. This isn't my car.
On it. Go the other way. Yeah, dude. You know what sucks about how heat rises?
Yeah.
Someone farted and it came up to me. Came straight up to me. What's up? Solid.
Why wouldn't we?
Oh. Look at that!
Wait, dude, go to the other side.
It's like real race car shit.
Yeah.
Oh, what? Holy crap. Dude, the fact that it's convertible makes it so much better. Hey, all right, turn. What up?
Holy fuck.
Lowered everything down and loaded it up on the trailer. I think it was like 10 a.m. We used my dad's winch on the FJ to load that car up because it was way too difficult to push. We had the SLR. The alignment was completely off. We just needed to get that thing on a trailer and over to the paint shop.
Dude! Oh my god.
I want to just post this right now. Yeah. Here, come back. Get the Stella in there.
I'm gonna turn the wheel just a little bit.
Yes.
Oh, I guess.
Stop.
Go.
Watch the fender.
Oh my god.
What time is it? Oh my gosh, I look like an idiot. It's 9:12.
We finished kind of
It's
tonight.
9:12. This is the day that we drive down to Sema. Car looks fucking awesome. Car looks sick.
Oh my
so
god.
sweet. It's awesome.
It's so
Oh
sweet.
god.
Let's get this thing to Lexus.
Oh my god. It's so sweet. It's so cool. It's like a mirror.
I know. You know what? Where's my glide cam? Where's my glide cam? We got some guy here. We're gonna have to all push it back. Steering shaft came off. Oh my gosh. Alright, that's up. As much as it'll go. Take that one to the front. What do you think?
Pretty cool, man.
Thanks.
What do you think?
I'm excited. These guys stayed up all night with me last night getting it all ready.
Cool. And you say it's a drift car? Is
Uh-huh.
that? Huh?
But we're taking this to Las Vegas tonight.
You tonight?
Uh-huh.
For what?
We're gonna debut the car at a big car.
At a big car event?
Yeah.
Cool. Holy crap. Wow.
You got the hook to go through? Alright,
When we got it up there, we had to push it, and there was like 12 employees that came over and all like rolled the car into the paint booth with me while I'm just in there steering, and lost that footage too. I filmed that on my iPhone.
let's bring this to Sema.